Hi, today I'll be changing this terrible shift knob for this golf ball. This shift knob is terrible because it wiggles around a lot and it's also not comfortable in the hand. So I think that this golf ball is gonna be a lot better and it's also gonna be more stylish. So on this golf ball, I'll ground it down a little bit, make a 9mm hole and then force it onto it because I don't have the special thread maker for this. The moment of truth. Ukáž. Tak to je hodně jinde.
Se nemrdá, ne?
Ne. No hlavně je to prostě úplně dokonalý.
Ta velikost.
Yes, protože já to mám rád takhle, že jo. Že takhle to nikam neodletí. Ne, vůbec se nehybe.
To říkáš ironicky, ale...
Ne, nehybe. Uzo?
Ty je dobrý, no. Ještě jak je, tam jsou takový ty vroubky, tak to vůbec neklouže.
Jo.
A to asi tím, jak je to jako špinavý trochu.
No,
Jo, ty jsi to čistil, ne?
ne, vůbec. To nemá ani ve vodě.
Přímo z hřiště, jo. Ty píčo. Ale fakt se nehybe.
No, hodně libový, ne? Jako mě překvapuje, jak lehký to bylo udělat to. So it is done. In my opinion, it looks way better than I even expected. The process went very smooth. It was very easy to do. I also removed the cover here, so I think that looks way better. In any case, if in the future I'm gonna need to remove it and the thread breaks, it's really easy to make a new one. In the future, I need to change this silver to a black and this big radio for some small one so that it fits the vibe. But I think it's great just using it. It's amazing. It feels great in the hand. It doesn't wiggle. It's just exactly what I wanted. Just the look that I wanted. Enjoy it all and share the enjoyment.